Good morning, traders. It is March 13th, 2024. This is my pre-market video. So we are going to go over my top 4 pre-market stocks that I am interested in, okay? Number 1, GXAI. Just by looking at it, it's overextended right now. So I'm looking for a pullback. So this is going to pull back let's see if it can pull back around $9, okay? So we're gonna do this at or below. Has 980,000 in float, 6 million in volume, so that's good. Now my number 1 is HOLO, as you can see here. Previous runner, looks like it had some legs this morning. Looking, let's see here. Looks pretty good. Let's wait until, oh man, it's already gonna move. So let's see if it's gonna hold pre-market high, but if it does, we have to reset. This one not doing nothing, and this one not doing nothing. So number 1 is HOLO. So this is my top pick pre-market, and also looks like it may be my top pick throughout the day. Looks like the float is 5.9 million. Volume is 2.5 million, so of course I believe it's gonna go higher than 5 million regarding the volume. So I'm looking for a float rotation on that. So let's see if it holds 637. Once again, we never play the first 30 minutes of the trading day. Never do that. So I believe it's gonna lead to sideways price action. So I'm just putting my alerts in the correct areas for right now. So just by looking, we're gonna give it some time. Okay, I'm gonna give this some time. I just like the chart pattern. You can even make this A if you wanted to. You can make this B right here if you wanted to. A, B. Looks like you can mark this as C. Alright. So we just want to see what's going to happen here, okay? What I would like for it to do is increase the volume, but I want it to stay the price before 10 a.m. my time, Eastern Standard Time. I would like the prices to stay between 616 and 637. So if it can be around this price range, above 616 and below 637, between the first 30 minutes of the day, we'll be all set. As you can see, it's pulling down, so we're not gonna even test it, as you can see. So we're gonna wait for that. Let's look at this one, AULT. This was on the pre-market scanner. Let's see here. Let's take a look, see what it's doing. I don't like the way this thing is. I don't like the price action of this. Look at that bounce. No. Too choppy. We're going to leave that one alone for right now. Let's take a look at GXAI. As you can see, it's overextended really. It went from 6 to 1150. See if it breaks pre-market, but I don't like it at all. So I'm looking for a major pullback on this one. So I'm not even going to look at it any further. This one, as you can see, is pulling down, so I'm going to delete this from my watch list. So number 1 is this one. I really still think it can hold some value to me today. So I'm going to watch this just by looking at it. Let me remove these lines. I don't want everyone to get confused. Let's pull it all the way back. Definitely has time. Just have to be patient. Alright, traders, it is now 12:30 in the afternoon, and looks like I'm out of the trade for HOLO. Looks like it did what we stated it was going to do this morning. My entry price is around 642 around here. Exploded, as you can see within the code, 642. Went to 834, pulled down. Now, I entered this trade around 642. Took 75% of my shares off the table at $8, and then the remaining at $6.93. So basically, it's a good trade. Didn't trade a lot of shares. I just needed my dollar per share, which I did receive. So now I am good to go for the day. It looks like it may run a little bit more today. So if I want to really look at it closely, I would say we have to wait till around, let's see here. We have to give it a little bit more time. Around I will say around 2 p.m. It's 12:30 right now, so around 2 p.m. it may continue to run. So right now, I'm trying to build up another ABCD pattern. But right now, we sold all our shares. Good job, traders. Once again, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Stay trading. Stay focused.